Hello and welcome to the Trimester 1 Lesson 10 slash Engineering Challenge video. In this lesson that again is going to take multiple days, could take up to a week, um, they're going to take the information that they learned in the first two investigations and now they're going to apply it to a problem and try to solve the problem. So you are going to pose the question to the students. What if no one had a watch or clocks and bells did not work at the school for a whole day? And the idea here is basically how would we tell time? And I guess you could include, no iPads, nothing like that. Phones didn't work, so we had no idea what time it was. How could we tell time? And really what we're trying to get at is we're trying to get the students to think of the idea of a solar watch or a solar clock, or a sundial. And what you're going to do is you're just going to try to, remind them, okay, what did we learn in the first investigation? So our shadows move. And could our shadows tell us something? What did you notice as the day got longer? What did you notice about your shadow? So try to come up with an idea of how they could use the information that they learned in the first two units to apply this to an actual problem. So you can see the challenges written here. And the first thing you're going to ask them to do is to create a plan. So what would you do? And this is where you would have some conversation with them. You might want to kind of try to steer them a little bit towards a sundial. So if they thought about, the way that you could maybe bring that up to the students is you could say, okay, remember when our shadow moved, what did that look like? And even if you like drew a big circle or something like that, like the shadow should look like the hour hand and the minute hand. So if they had some idea of what that might look like, and you might want to Google how to build a sundial, and that might kind of help you with some ideas that then you could kind of show to the students. So they would draw their picture here and write their ideas. Then they need to come up with the materials you would need, and you could show that to them. Then they're going to create it and test it. And after they make their sundials, you could take them out side and test them. So again, this is going to take multiple days. And you can see here we actually have about 6 days that we planned for this. So after they go out and they test it and they present the class or present the devices to the class, this would be their sharing their creation with everyone else.